Welcome to 56th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss value-based management. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed the concept of net asset method. Now let us discuss value-based management. It is a management philosophy that states management should foremost consider the interest of shareholders in its business actions. This framework encompasses the processes for creating, managing, and measuring value. VBM can best be seen as combination between a value creation mindset and the management processes and systems that are necessary to translate that mindset into action. Let's take a deeper look into each of these two components. Methods of value-based management. First one, gross value added. Second one, market value added. Third one, economic value added. First one, gross value added. The value added statement shows the value added of a business for a particular period. It also reveals how it is arrived at and apportioned to the stakeholders like employees, management, loan providers, government, and also to the business itself. The value added statements has two parts. The first part showing how the GVA is arrived at, and the second part showing the application or distribution of value added to various beneficiaries. Second one, market value added. MVA is the difference between the current market value of a firm and the capital contributed by investors. If MVA is positive, the firm has added value. If it is negative, the firm has destroyed value. To find out whether management has created or destroyed value since its inception, the firm's MVA can be used. MVA is equals to market value of the capital minus capital employed. Third one, economic value added. Economic value added is the surplus generated by an entity after meeting an equitable charge towards the providers of capital. Economic value added is an index to measure the financial performance. It takes into account the profit, loss, balance sheet, efficiency, and opportunity cost of capital. Thank you.